Hey everybody, this is Cooper at DSI Automotive today, and today we're going to be talking about the barrel blade microfiber wheel brush. First, looking at the blade itself, it does have this hole on there. That hole is, there's buttons on the brush. You're going to stick the blade into the brush. You're going to snap one right inside that hole there, and then one on the outside to secure it. Now this brush is 1000 GSM microfiber, which is going to prevent scratching on those spokes and barrels. It is a pliable, bendable material, so you'll be able to get into some of those hard to reach places that usually we don't like cleaning anyway. Let me show you how we do it. Today I'll be using Automagic's Wheel Magic in the IK foam sprayer, along with cherry bubbles in some warm water. I first start by saturating the tire with warm water. I then go in with the IK foam sprayer and spray down the tire with Wheel Magic. You're going to want to let the Wheel Magic dwell for 1 to 5 minutes, allowing it to penetrate and break down the contaminants on the wheel. The barrel blade is 19 inches in total length, which helps you reach between calipers and narrow spokes. Additional packs of 3 covers can be purchased, so you will never have a dirty one at the beginning of a job. As you can see, I'm able to get into those harder to reach places with the bendable blade, as well as do general cleaning on the rims and tires. Once complete, rinse the wheel thoroughly with water to remove all cleaner residue and loosen contaminants. Find this product on our website under the Autofiber manufacturer tab, or simply by searching barrel blade.